Bulgogi is one of the most delicious Korean dishes. Normally, it is made from thin slices of beef or pork that are marinated and then grilled on the barbecue. Different types of meat like sirloin and brisket are other common meats used for this dish. Traditionally, bulgogi is marinated to enhance its flavor before being grilled or sautéed. Marinades generally include soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and fruit purees. This marinade is made by Chung Jung-won, which is recognized as one of Korea's original producers of authentic marinades since 1984, and has received HACCP certification from KFDA, which means it meets the standard requirements for food safety regulations. The flavor of this Korean barbecue marinade is sweet and slightly tangy. The main ingredient is soy sauce, which gives the marinade a rich, flavorful taste. This product also contains red wine from Spain, which adds flavor when marinating the meats. One bottle can be used to make many meals. The ingredients also include several fruit purees, such as pear, apple, pineapple, and kiwi. Thanks to these fruits, the marinade does a fantastic job at tenderizing thinly sliced beef, since they contain enzymes that quickly break down tough meat. The result is a juicy and delicious soft meat that will taste amazing after being properly grilled. Be sure to leave the meat in the marinade for at least half an hour for good flavor. The serving size of this marinade is 1 tablespoon, and there are 42 servings per container. Each serving has 430 milligrams of sodium, 7 grams of carbohydrates, and 6 grams of sugar. This product contains wheat and soybean, which are potential allergens. Before using the marinade, be sure to shake the bottle well and to cook the marinated meat properly. Refrigerate the marinade after opening to preserve freshness and to prevent spoiling. Before opening, it can be kept in a cool, dry place and has a long shelf life of nearly 2 years. To enjoy authentic Korean bulgogi at home, begin by marinating 1 pound of your favorite meat with 4.5 tablespoons of this marinade. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, but for the best taste, you should marinate your meat overnight. This will allow the flavor of the marinade to seep into the meat and for the fruit purees to tenderize it. The marinade is primarily used for beef bulgogi, but is also great with any other meat including chicken, pork, turkey, and sausage. It can even be used as a vegetable marinade. Now I'm going to open this up and show you how it looks. I'm going to remove the plastic wrap on the outside of the lid. There is no seal underneath the lid. Here you can see how it looks. This marinade is dark. It smells like soy sauce, garlic, and a blend of fruits. Be sure to pick up a bottle of this bulgogi marinade so you can enjoy authentic Korean bulgogi at home.
Enjoy. Bye bye.